Hi everybody. So today we are at Saryu going live for a lip filler session with Deepika Goyal official. Hi Deepika, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
So what are we doing exactly today? Would you like to tell your followers?
I'm going for a treatment that I've always wanted, lip fillers, and I'm really looking forward for it because I've heard like really good reviews about your clinic. So I'm here and I'm excited.
Yeah. Hi Dr. Adarsh.
Alright.
So which fillers are we doing today?
So today we are going to inject Restylane Kais.
Oh, I
That's my
love
favorite
those.
one.
Can you please show?
The Restylane
Yeah.
Kais specifically made for lips. So the specialty for this kind of fillers are the modules and the material which is used in this kind of hyaluronic acid very fine in comparison to other fillers. So the final touch and plump and hydration which you will get from Restylane Kais is much better than other fillers. Those who have big materials, big molecules in comparison to Kais.
Okay, so for all of those people who were not present at our live session yesterday, so we had a detailed conversation with Bhavya about fillers, and there are certain things. Dr. Adarsh, do you mind just answering one question before we start?
Yes.
People keep on asking me, why do we charge so much for fillers? And this was the question which was asked yesterday also, continuous amount of times. And Bhavya also quoted about one of her friends who got fillers in about 20,000 rupees, and it lasted only not even for 20 days.
So basically, we don't charge too much for fillers. It all depends upon the brand which we are using. The brand which we are using, Restylane Kais, is best in world. So the costing is dependent on that particular brand. If you are using a cheaper version of filler, the longevity and the durability and quality of plump which you will get will not be better in comparison
So,
to Restylane Kais.
guys, whenever and from wherever you get your fillers, you should always ask which brand fillers are they using, because it's something that is going to be injected, in your body. So you should know and you should be sure about it. Now we will be finally sharing the after results. You can see how comfortable she is. And these are one of the best fillers in the market right now. All the Hollywood doctors and celebrities are using it. So that's all for now, and we'll get back to you tomorrow with the before and after results. Bye bye.